first day, like even Manny could hardly do 5 lunges the very first day.
Tallness, fitness, and lifestyle.
Now I do 100. So 100 is a magic number for everything. 100 sit-ups, 100 leg raises, 100 lunges.
Right?
Yes.
Manny just started December. He's been working on 23 sessions. So not even a full month, but he's been doing it for the last 2.5 months, 3 times a week.
That's right.
And he's improved. How much weight have you lost?
20. I was at 171 and I was started with 196.
196.
25 pounds.
25 pounds. Look at him. Show him your face.
Starting from unable to do 1 push-up
Yes,
to do 160 in 1 hour session.
How do you eat it too? How to change? What do you do in your diet?
I don't eat any junk, no sugar, no fried, only grilled. Don't drink more than 2 glasses. Full jug now that I finish every day and then go a little bit beyond this.
So that's 3 months, but actually 24 sessions. 3 months. Big change. Big new person. From a man who couldn't do 1 push-up.
I was fitting in a large t-shirt,
Yes.
now fits in the small ones.
Exactly. Yeah, right?
Yeah, I bought a small t-shirt. I don't fit. No tummy, everything is gone.
Yeah?
Lots of protein. Good food, avocados, chicken, fish, green leaves, some fruits, oats.
But do you ever leave yourself hungry?
No, never.
Oh, it's not even diet. It's not even a diet. It's just where you change your lifestyle, right?
It's not that I'm starving myself. Never.
And anyone can do it, right? If you put your mind to it.
You need to have that motivation to give up. You can give up.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good stuff to eat even without junk. I still have my on the ball.
On the ball and on the vest.
60 on the 60 with the vest and on the ball. 60 on the 60 with it.
So Manny's been working on with a vest the whole time doing these sessions. We've been using a vest with him for the whole time, 25-pound vest. And this again, 23 sessions is where he's gotten by using the vest. He keeps improving faster and faster, and he thought it would take him a lot longer, but he has the effort. He puts a lot of effort in it. He does, and he also goes on the gym on your own.
Twice a week.
Which you running now too?
I'm running 25 minutes is the max I ran. Non-stop, 5.1 speed and 1.5 and 2. Half is 1.5 and 10. Speed I rolled up.
So first, Manny started with this band. I think on 2 sessions we did this with a weighted vest. Now he's doing it on his own, and he thought he'll never do it on his own. But now he's gonna do 8 today.
Yes. And with the chin-ups and pull-ups we just started maybe a week, 10 days back. Yeah. 1.5 weeks back. Okay, 8, huh?
Yeah, 8.
Okay.
Nice. That's it.
So got that, dry Greek yogurt,
Okay.
peanut butter, those are my mid-meals. So if I feel
Okay.
like something. Almonds,
Okay. So you just cut out the sugars
the
and the
fried,
fats, the
and
fried.
junk,
Good job.
the pizzas, all that.
So you never starve to drop this weight?
No, never. Always eating. In fact, I'm eating in every 2-3 hours.
Okay.
So sometimes my mid-meals are cottage cheese, started liking that as well.
Oh, you drinking it? You did?
I'm eating cottage cheese too.
Oh, you like it? Huh?
Yes, apart the taste of it.
Do you go shopping?
I'm going to go shopping, I'm going to go running.
So we're gonna do that 5K, right?
We're doing a 5K, but it's hopefully by the end of spring we'll run 5K. And we'll go shopping and get some nice clothes, smaller sizes.
So all around you just feel better. You want to dress better, look better.
It's good to see yourself in the mirror now. It's good to see yourself in the mirror. Coffee is also, I mean, I still take one coffee a day.
Yeah.
It's usually with one creamer and a little bit of honey in it instead of sugar.
Yeah. That's what you did. And
if I crave for sugar, I take half a spoon of honey and that's it.
this is real. No pain, no gain.